Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this video, I will explain how to backup or dump your Unisoc device's firmware using SPD dump. As I mentioned, you encounter two variants, the one that requires SPRD U2S DAG and the one that requires USB DK, Lib USB and all of that. So I'm using the one that requires the regular USB drivers. Now my device is the Hisense A5 Pro CC. I have my files, my FDLs, my U-boots, and all the other addresses for my device. Make sure you look those up for your chipset or your device to be specific. Now, once you have this in place, you open the command prompt, and this is the command you run. Now, the command is spd dump my addresses of FDLs and U-boots, then the path where I want to save my backup to. So now I'll create a folder. I'll just name it backup. Then I have to copy the full path of this folder, copy address, and then I'll paste it in my command. I put it in quotation mark to escape any spaces and all those funny characters, because sometimes if you execute it, if you input the full path directly in your command, it might break your command. So to be safe, you just escape it by surrounding them your entire path in double quotes, and then my path, and then R all, which is I want you to back up all partitions and skip those like user data and some other partitions I don't really need. You can find the full documentation of SPD dump on GitHub. I'll link to that also. An alternative is also to use read paths. There is read underscore paths command, and that requires you to supply a partition list file. But I'll just go with the R all. R all, to be precise, is going to do a full backup. It's going to exclude black box, cache, and user data. All right. So I'll just go with that option, and then you run the command. Now, once you get this waiting for their connection, you boot your device into Brom. For my device, as an A5 Pro CC, I power off, I hold both volume buttons, and then I connect to the PC. And I have a detection. So now it's backing up. So you just sit back and let it back up. Now, once the backup is done, you go to the folder where you selected. In this case, it's my backup folder, and you will see what the backup looks like. You can see they are all in .bin. So that's how to backup or dump your Unisoc devices firmware using SPD dump.